Welcome back, friends. Previously we started exercise 2.4. Today we will continue exercise 2.4 with the example 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so here question number 5. Subhu's mother's present age is 6 times Subhu's present age. Whatever Subhu's age will be there. For example, if I say the statement that your mother's age is 6 times your present age, and if your present age is 5 years, then what is your mother's age? 6 multiply 5, that is 30 years. Clear? So same we have to perform for this one. We don't know what is the present age of Subhu, but whatever Subhu's age will be there, it is his mother's age will be 6 times Subhu's age. Now next statement is Subhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Statement માં શું કહ્યું છે? સુબુની એજ 5 years પછી કેટલી થશે? His mother's present age, and you have to take 1/3 of mother's present age. Means મમ્મીની એજ જે પણ હશે એને ડિવાઇડ બાય 6 કરો એટલે સુબુની એજ 5 years પછીની મળે. So first of all we need to write the value. Let Subhu's present age is X year. Because we don't know what is the Subhu's present age, so we assume it as a X. Let Subhu's present age is X years. Now, in a statement it is written mother's age will be 6 times Subhu's age, so we can write mother's age is 6x years. Now, next statement is Subhu's age 5 years from now. So, after 5 years. After 5 years, Subhu's age will be x plus 5 years. Because Subhu's age, present age is x, after 5 years it is x plus 5 years. But this age is 1/3 of his mother's present age. Mother's present age is this one, and if you take 1/3 of mother's present age, you will get the Subhu's age after 5 years. So you can write it is equal to 1/3 of mother's present age. So we can write x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of mother's present age. Subhu's age after 5 years is equal to 1/3 of mother's present age. Clear? Now we will solve the equation. You can cut the common factor, so you will get 2x here. Now x will be on right side, become minus x, 5 remain as it is. 2x minus x, so x is equal to 5. You can write x is equal to 5, or x can be on left side and 5 can be on right side. This is same. So x is equal to 5. But what is our x? That is Subhu's present age. So we can write Subhu's present age is 5 years and mother's age will be 6x. 6x, that is 6 into 5, 30 years. Okay, one more time. Subhu's present age is x years. Mother's age is 6 times, means it is 6x. Now, after 5 years, Subhu's age will be x plus 5, but it is equal to 1/3 of mother's present age. So we can write x plus 5 is equal to 1/3, 6x. If you solve this equation, you will get answer x is equal to 5. Now, question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school. The length and breadth of plot are in a ratio 11:4. Length and breadth ratio is given. So you can write length is 11x and breadth is 4x. At the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence. What do you mean by fencing? Fencing means outer boundary, and if you want to find fencing cost, it means you need to find perimeter. Why? Outer boundary is nothing but perimeter. So first of all, we need to find the perimeter of rectangle. Friends, the plot, what are the dimension of plot? So what you have to do, first of all, find the perimeter of rectangular plot, that is 11x and 14x for a length and breadth. So let length is 4x and breadth 11x and breadth is 4x. First value is given to the length, that is 11x, and second value given to the breadth, that is 4x. So we have value of length and breadth. We can find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. We know the equation for a perimeter of rectangle. 2 into bracket L plus B. Length is 11x, breadth is 4x. So 30x. Now, this is the perimeter of rectangle. What is the cost of fencing per meter? You can see the cost of fencing per meter is 100 rupees. 1 meter na fencing no cost 100 rupees है. How many meters we have? We have 30x meter. Okay, so we need to find the cost for this. So cost for 1 meter is equal to 100 rupees. So cost for 30x meter is equal to 100 into 30x, that is 3000. Means fencing no cost kilo થાય છે 3000. 1 meter no cost 100 rupees. That is already given in a question. But how many meters we need to fence? કેટલા મીટર માં boundary કરવાની છે? 30x means it is multiplied with 100. So it is 3000x rupees of, that is cost of fencing. But in a question it is written, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000. Okay, આપણે values વેરિયેબલ થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ તો ફાઇન્ડ શું થયું? કોસ્ટ 3000. પણ કેટલા રૂપીસ એમણે આપ્યા છે? 75000. મીન્સ 3000x is equal to 75,000. Cost of fencing is 75,000. That is already given. Means total cost કેટલો થયો છે તો આપી દીધું છે. So we find the cost with the variable and actual cost is given in a question. So we can write the equation 3000x is equal to 75,000. This is what fencing cost with the variable, and this is cost that is given in a question, but both are same. So 3000x is equal to 75,000. So 3000 will be in a divide. So what is the value of x? 25. But what is our length? 11x and breadth is 4x. 11x is 25. So write value of x. It is 275 meter. Breadth, that is 4x. 4 into 25, that is 100 meter. Means length of plot is 275 meter and breadth is 100 meter. So here in a question, length and breadth ratio is given. So you can write length is 11x, breadth is 4x. If the value of length and breadth is known, you can find the perimeter. So we find the perimeter 2 into L plus B. L is 11x, B is 4x. 11 plus 4, 15x. 15 twos are 30x. So perimeter is 30x. Cost is given, so we can write cost for 1 meter is 100 rupees. So cost for 30x meter is equal to 3000x rupees. But overall cost is already already given, so we can write equal to sign between them. 3000x is equal to 75,000. If you solve this equation, you will get x is equal to 25. But here we need to find length and breadth. So we write value of x in 11x and 4x. So length will be 275 and breadth will be 100 meter. Example 7. Hassan buys two kind of cloth materials for a school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter, means shirt material no cost શું છે 1 meter ના 50 rupees, and trouser material that cost him 90 rupees per meter, means what is the cost of trouser? Trouser no material 1 meter per 90 rupees. For every 2 meters of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of trouser material. What is this statement says? This is a ratio. જો એ 3 મીટર શર્ટ બાય કરે તો એના માટે કેટલા મીટર ટ્રાઉઝર નું મટીરીયલ બાય કરે 2 મીટર, means ratio is given 3 meter shirt to 2 meter trouser, 3:2. He sell the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively, means the profit on shirt material is 12% and profit on trouser material is 10%, means here you need to apply the concept of profit and loss also. First of all, we revise what is profit and loss. Profit means the extra money that we get from the material, and loss means if we get a lower price than buying price, means cost price करता ओછી price में sell करी હોય तो એને loss કહેવાય, and cost price करता વધારે price में sell करे तो profit કહેવાય. Now we learn equation for a profit and loss in a previous standard 7. So first of all, we revise that concept. What is the equation for a profit? Percentage profit is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. Equation आप पढ़े था. Percentage profit is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. Percentage means percentage profit. This profit means it is rupees profit. Then we also learn CP. What will be CP? CP is equal to SP minus profit, or you can write SP is equal to CP plus profit. जो તમારે selling price find કરવી હોય તો cost price માં profit money add કરો એટલે તમને selling price મળે. For example, તમે 100 rupees માં buy કરી છે અને તમને 25 rupees નો profit થયો છે તો તમારી selling price શું થાય 125. So first of all, we need to revise that concept and then we will solve the example. So first of all, what we have to start from, for every 3 meter of shirt, 2 meters of trouser material is what? So ratio is given, means ratio of shirt material to trouser material is 3:2. For every 3 meter shirt, he bought 2 meter trouser material. So we can write, let shirt material is equal to 3x meter and trouser material is equal to 2x meter. Now cost for 1 meter is 50 rupees. So what is the cost of 3x meter? That you have to multiply 50 with 3x. So 1 meter no cost 50 rupees hoy to 3x meter no 50 multiply 3x. So cost, that is CP. (3x into 50), 150x rupees. Now cost price, again CP of trouser material 2x. What is the 1 meter cost is 90 rupees, so 2x is multiplied with 90, that is 180 rupees x. This is the cost price. Now profit Profit is also given. From the profit we can find the selling price. So first of all we will write the equation for a profit. Profit percentage આપ્યું છે, પહેલા તો એના રૂપીસ માં ફાઇન્ડ કરી દઈએ. So we have equation percentage profit is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. So for short, what is the profit percentage? That is 12% is equal to profit. What is the cost price of 150x? Multiply 100. Now we have to find this profit. So 150 will be in multiplication. So profit is equal to 150 is in divide, so become multiplication. 12 into 150x divide by 100. Multiply this. 180, so it is 180x divided by 10 is equal to 18x. It means we found the profit for short. Percentage profit આપ્યું એમાંથી rupees profit find કર્યું, that is 18x. So what is the selling price? Short ની selling price શું થશે? That is 150x plus 18x. Cost price plus profit, that is 168 rupees. Okay. Profit નું percentage નું equation આપ્યું છે, એમાં આપણને value percentage profit ની આપી છે, એ મૂકી 12%. Profit in a rupees શોધવાના છે. So profit as it is. CP we get from here, that is 150x. So we write 150x multiply 100. 150 in a divide become multiplication and 100 in a multiplication become division. So 12 into 150x divide 100, we will get 18x. This is profit in a rupees. So selling price is CP plus profit 150x plus 18x. Same way we can find the selling price of trouser. For trouser, that is 10% is equal to profit divided by, what is the selling cost price of trouser? 180x multiply 100. Now we need to solve this equation. So profit is equal to 10 into 180x divided by 100. So that is again 18x, means selling price of trouser is cost price 180x plus profit 18x 198x. Now we have a selling price of short material, that is 168x. Selling price of trouser material, that is 198x. Total selling, total SP is equal to 168x plus 198x. 366x. But in a question, total selling price is already given as we perform in a previous example. Okay, આગળના example માં જેમ આપણે કર્યું કે total જે price આપી છે 75000 એ પણ આપી છે અને જે આપણે variable થી find કર્યું એ પણ આપી છે. So here total selling price is 366x, but it is equal to 36,600. But total SP is 36,600. So we can write now divide. So we will get x is equal to 100. So from this x is equal to 100, we can find the meter of trouser and short. So short will be 3x, means 3 multiply 100, that is 300 meter, and trouser material 2x, 2 multiply 100, that is 200 meter. Means here you need to apply the concept of equation and comparing quantity, that is profit and loss. Okay. water from the pond. Find the total number of deer. We don't know what is the total number of deer. So let's say the total number of deer are X. Now what is the first statement? Half of the herd are grazing. Means whatever total number is there, half of them are grazing. So total number of X. Then what is the half number of deer? That is X by 2. So we can write half of total are grazing. It means we can write X by 2. Number of deers are grazing. Now next statement, 3/4 of remaining. If X by 2 are grazing, then what are the remaining? X by 2 are remaining. Remaining deer X by 2. For example, if I say 14 total number of deers are there and from that half of them are grazing, means from the 14 7 are grazing and remaining are 7. जो 14 માંથી half grazing હોય તો એમાં 7 grazing and 7 remaining. So what are the remaining number of deer? X by 2 remaining number of deers. But it is written that 3/4 of remaining. So we need to take 3/4 of remaining, that is 3 by 4 multiply X by 2, and they are doing playing. By 4 of X by 2 are playing. So we can write 3 by 4 into X by 2, that is 3X by 8. 3 is multiplied with X and 4 is multiplied with 8. And 9 are drinking water. So find the total number of deer. So we can write X by 2, total number of deer grazing, 3X by 8, that is playing, and 9 are drinking water, and that is equal to total number of deer. We can write this equation. From the total number of deer, X by 2 are grazing, 3X by 8 playing, and 9 are drinking water. Now we have to solve this equation. So first of all we need to take LCM. LCM of 2, 8 and 1 will be 8. So 2 is multiplied with 4. If we multiply 4 here in the numerator and denominator, we will get 4X by 8. Here already 8 is there. 78 by 8 is equal to X. 72 by 8. Now 4X plus 3X 7X plus 72 divided by 8 is equal to X. Now 8 in a multiplication. 7X on the right side become minus 7X. So X is equal to 72. It means total number of deer are 72. Clear? Now next one, 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than granddaughter. Okay, દાદાની એજ કેટલી છે? Granddaughter કરતા 10 times. For example, granddaughter age is X here. Let X here. So what is the grandfather's age? 10 times means 10x years. He is also 54 years older than her age. એવું કીધું છે કે દાદા 54 year younger છે, means દાદાની એજ daughterની એજ કરતા 54 year છે. So we can write he is also 54 year younger than her. So we can write x plus 54, that is grandfather age, but it is also equal to 10x, but because this is also grandfather age. આ પણ ફાધરની દાદાની એજ છે અને આ પણ દાદાની એજ છે, તો બંને વચ્ચે ઇક્વેશન લખાય. Now x in a subtraction. Now 9 in a divide. 9 6 x is equal to 6. So what is the granddaughter's age? Is 6 years and grandfather age that is 6x 10x 10 multiply 6 60. Here in a two ways grandfather age is given. Baya way ma grandfather ni age આપી છે. One that is 10 times daughter's age, so 10x, and that is also 50 year more than granddaughter's age. So we can write x plus 54 is equal to 10x. If we solve the equation, we will get x is equal to 6. So grandfather's age will be 10x, that is 10 into 6, 60 years. Now example 10, that is in your homework. Statement is Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Aman ની age કેટલી છે? એના son ની age કરતા 3 times છે. So let the son's age is x. So Aman age will be 3x. 10 years ago means before 10 years, what is the Aman's age? That is 3x minus 10. And what is the son's age? X minus 10. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. હવે 5 times હોય તો શું કરવાનું? 5 times કઈ બાજુ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું? son ની એજ માં means 5 into bracket x minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 10. That is your equation, and if you solve the equation you will get age of Aman and age of his